To sync your horses from Prism to your E-Trakka account, log in as your master user in Prism and select Connect to E-Trakka. If you don't see this option, please email support@prism.horse. Log in to your E-Trakka account. That will permanently sync horses from Prism to E-Trakka, including when you edit a horse. From here, key session data is imported from E-Trakka. This data is available in a couple of places. Firstly, in the work schedule. The E-Trakka session data is matched to each horse on any given day and available via the attachment link on the far right hand side. If the attachment link is dark blue, then data is available. If it's grayed out like this one, data is not available for that particular horse on that particular day. So click that view icon and you can see all the high level data from E-Trakka, just the key metrics. More beneficially, you can click the view icon. This will open a new window in your browser showing the E-Trakka session data similar to what you're used to in E-Trakka. It doesn't log you in to your E-Trakka session here, but it displays this data. It's designed to be a quick view. If you need a lot more analysis, then obviously log into your E-Trakka account. When we look at the horse profile and we go to the Work tab, that same information exists on the list of track work for that horse. So you get a nice summary of all the track work history and E-Trakka session data. And there's also a performance sub-tab. This lays out just the E-Trakka information in a table, and you can choose additional E-Trakka information to display. And of course you have that same link to the View E-Trakka session page.